What's up guys, Ryan here. Welcome to the Practical Japanese channel. In this video, we are going to be going over the hiragana chart and how to write all of the characters. If you're brand new here and brand new in learning Japanese, welcome. Feel free to subscribe for more free Japanese learning content. And for all my current subscribers, thank you very much for joining me on this journey. Please feel free to check out my other playlists that I have available for you. For now, more info is always on its way. TikTok fam, I love you all. I love you. I love you too. Okay, I'm done. Sorry. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So, for you beginners, if you don't already know, in Japanese we have three writing systems: hiragana, katakana, kanji. Today we are going over hiragana, and hiragana is used to write Japanese words. Katakana is used to write non-Japanese words, and kanji is used to write Japanese words, but it's a combination of multiple hiragana characters. I believe there are 46 hiragana characters and 46 katakana characters. As I said before, in today's video, we're just going to do the hiragana chart, so that's 46 characters. I actually already made a couple different videos talking about the hiragana chart and showing it, but I wanted to redo this video for better video quality, and hopefully I can get a closer view on the characters, because I'm going to write them for you so you can see the stroke order. Just know that for all Japanese characters, when you write the characters, the stroke order is always left to right, top to bottom. I know it might seem tricky at first, but trust me, once you get it, it's really not that bad, and you'll know how to write every single character from that point on. Okay, now finally let's jump right into our top-down view so we can see exactly how to write all of these characters. Alright guys, welcome to the notepad. We're just going to go through every single hiragana character one by one so you can see how to write it. And again, if this video is not that helpful, then I have other videos you can check out. Or you can just do it old school, look up the chart on Google and make flashcards and just memorize it. So this is mostly just for the stroke order, and here we go. So starting with the first one, we have A. And again, left to right, top to bottom. A. 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 Okay, that is A. Moving on, we have I. 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 U. 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 E. 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 O. O. Okay. Ka. 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 Ki. 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 Ku. 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 Ke. 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 Ko. 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 こささささしししすすすせせせせそそそたたたちちちつつつててととななななにににぬぬぬぬねねねねののののははははひひひひふふふふへへほほほほまま ままみみみみむむむむめめめめももももややややゆゆゆゆよよよららららりりりりるるるるででででろろろろわわわわおおおおうんうんうんうん Alright guys, that is going to be all for this video. See, it wasn't that hard, was it? If you found this video useful by any means, please, if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe for more free Japanese content. Give my buddy here a like, give this video a like as well. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you as always for watching. ありがとうございます。また次の動画で会いましょう。じゃあまたね。頑張ってください。